Hi friends, if you are earning $50,000, $60,000 or $70,000 per year and you're interested in buying a home, you are probably wondering how much housing can I afford with this type of income levels. My name is Michael Najim. I'm a realtor and a loan officer over here in Orlando, Florida. And on this video, I'm going to be breaking down for you in the simplest way with the most understandable terms how much you can really afford with this type of income. Let's start with the most basic rule that all lenders are looking at, the debt to income ratio or your monthly housing payment. How does this work? What lenders are looking for is that your house payments are within 30 to maximum 50% of your average monthly income. This includes your mortgage payment, your insurance, and taxes. The goal for these payments is to be between 30 and 50% max, and obviously this all changes depending on your qualifications, the credit that you might have, the taxes on the property, or the rate of insurance or homeowner associations and fixed expense that the properties that you're looking at might have on a monthly basis. Without further ado, let's talk about real numbers. How much you hypothetically could afford with a $50,000 income, and how much would be the total purchase price on such. Actually, if we bring down your $50,000 annual income to a monthly average, it would be about 4167, and your monthly payment will be for the desired monthly payment for the housing would be about $1,400 to $1,600. This means the actual target price that you might be looking at or maximum purchase price should be somewhere between 225,000 all the way to $260,000. The best areas that I would recommend to a buyer, to a home buyer that has about $50,000 income per year would be actually the Kissimmee, Poinciana area, Haines City, Winter Haven, Northwest Central Orlando area, or outer skirt towns like Davenport, Lakeland, or Claremont. Now, if your income is about $60,000 per year, then this means your average monthly income would be about $5,000. And this breakdown to your housing payments would be translated to about 30 to 40 or 50%. That would be somewhere between $1,650 and $1,850 per month on your housing payments. And this translates into a purchasing power or maximum purchase price between 275,000 and 300,000. On what areas could you find a great deal if you're a home buyer and your annual income is about $60,000 per year? It all depends on your lifestyle, but I would suggest that you look at Northeast Orlando side, South Kissimmee, Haines City, and Davenport. If your annual income is about $70,000 per year, then this would translate into about 5,833 with some change per month. And this would actually get you in a payment range of about 2,050 to 2,350. And the home price range will be somewhere between 350,000 all the way to 400,000 or a little more. The typical areas where I suggest a person with a $70,000 income to look at to find a great deal for their house would be obviously Northeast Orlando area, Apopka, Horizon West on Metro West, Lake Nona outskirts, St. Cloud, and Sanford areas. What changes these numbers, you might be wondering? And the best advice or the factors that I can mention to you would be obviously your FICO credit score, the debt to income ratio, which is the relationship between how much money you make per month versus how much gets reported on your credit report as fixed expenses, or the different loan programs that you might qualify for, the HOA, insurance, and taxes, or also the builder incentives when you find a deal. Now, if you're interested to know the exact numbers or a pretty close estimate to what you can really afford, by all means, make sure you connect with me. I'm available on WhatsApp, or you have my phone number and email publicly advertised. Also, if you like this information or you know about somebody who might benefit from watching my video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day. I look forward to connecting with you.